Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to set up the tracking for dynamic remarketing in your Google Ad account. I'll walk you through the whole process on how to install the tag manager, how to create the triggers, how to create the dynamic variables, and everything that is required. It does get a little bit technical, but if you follow through the whole video, you'll be able to set it up fairly quickly. So let's start with the tag manager. I'll create a new account here right now. Let's name it new test 4. Choose your country, and then you just need to enter the domain right here and select web and create it. So that part is pretty simple. All right, now these are the two code snippets that we need to install in our Shopify store for them to connect together. So you just need to open the theme code of your website. I'll go to edit code. You'll basically need to go to layout and then open up the theme.liquid file. This is where we are going to install it. So this first code, this one goes right into in the head section of the code. So copy it, and you'll find that section right here. Okay, I have already installed it, but you just create some space here and just like paste it. You don't need to do anything else. Then once that is done, then we'll copy this one and we'll find the body section, which starts right here. It will generally be around the 50th row, but again, same thing. You just create some space here and paste in the tag. So that being done, click on save, and then you can just enter your domain here and test it to make sure that it has been installed properly. Now with that out of the way, basically what we need to do is we need to create the variables that that will be used in the remarketing. So we need two different variables. First is the items variable. We want Google to be able to read what items have been clicked or engaged with or added to cart, so that we can do the dynamic remarketing, right? So we need to create a variable to be able to allow Google to do that. So I'll name it dynamic layer variable ecommerce.items. Then let me copy it and create a data layer variable and paste it as it is. So this part right here in this section, it needs to be exactly as it is. So I'll paste all of these things in my description of the video. You can take it from there, but make sure that this is exactly as it is. Right, now we'll create another data layer variable. This will be data layer variable e-commerce. This will be value. So the order value of the product. All right, same thing. All right, now those are the two variables that we needed. Now we also need to create a trigger that would fire them. So go to trigger, create a new one. I'll name it event pre-marketing trigger. Event, all right. Custom event, all right. Now event name, this is really crucial. So I'll also paste this in the description of my video, but you just need to paste all of the events that we wanted to trigger, which are right here. So as you can see, it includes everything, right? View item, add to cart, view cart, abandon cart, all of that, right? So you just need that here, and then also make sure to enable regex matching. If you don't do that, again, it will not work. So yeah, again, I'll paste these in the descriptions of the video. You can just copy and paste it as it is. Save it. Okay, so that is done. Now let's actually create the remarketing tag that would enable all of this. So let's name it again. Remarketing tag, Google Ads, remarketing. So conversion ID, to get that from the Google Ad account, just go into the ad account and you'll probably have some conversion actions created already because you're doing remarketing. So you'll probably have a purchase event set up, right? So just open any of them, right, and like click on it. Then go right here, manage and tag manager. So this is going to be your conversion ID. Basically, conversion ID is going to be the same throughout the account. So from any conversion action that you have, you can just take it. So yeah, paste that right here. Then yes, we need to send dynamic data. Then for event name, this is a pre-made event within the tag manager. So you just need to click on this and select event. It will already be created. You don't need to create it. Then event value, if you remember, we just made this. right? Then for event items, we also just made it. So that's it. That's what you need to do. Now for triggering, yes, we wanted to trigger on the remarketing triggers that we have created, but we also wanted to fire on all of the pages within our website, right? So that will ensure that none of it is missed, and we are properly tracking our website visitors. I have not entered the ID, so it will not save for me, but that is what you need to do. And once all of that is done, you can just submit it, and yeah, that will go through. So that is how you set up the dynamic remarketing in Google Ads with the help of Google Tag Manager. If you found this video helpful, feel free to watch some of my other content, and I'll see you in the next video.